Namaste friends. Today we'll talk about the postural pain, causes and homeopathic management. It is represented by Kanchan Trust, Kulta Trust YouTube video, only for awareness and educational purpose. Postural pain is one of the commonest modern lifestyle disorders. Due to prolonged sitting, postural mobile use and lack of exercise, even the use of laptop by sitting in wrong way and lack of exercise, the spine and surrounding muscles undergo continuous strain. Common affected areas are neck, cervical region, upper and lower back pain, thoracic and lumbar, and shoulder. Causes: poor ergonomics, wrong sitting posture, laptop or mobile overuse. These are the main causes. Muscle imbalance, weak core muscles, tight neck and shoulder muscles. Prolonged static position, office work, study or driving, long driving. Stress and mental tension leads to muscle stiffness. Lack of exercise, this is the main thing. Pathophysiology is continuous strain, muscle becomes fatigue. Reduced circulation, accumulation of lactic acid. Ligament strain and microinflammation. In chronic cases, early degeneration of intervertebral disc leads to pain, stiffness and restricted movement. Silent symptoms are dull itching pain in neck or back, pain worse after long sitting, stiffness in morning or evening, muscle tightness, headache, cervical origin, radiating pain in severe cases. Now we are coming to the homeopathic medicines, which are very useful without any side effect, and it treats from inside. So friends, the main remedy is rest ox. Pain worse on rest, better by movement. Stiffness on first motion, useful in muscle strain. Stiffness on first motion but better by continuous motion. Brahmi alba, pain worse by slightest movement, cannot move. Better by rest. He wants absolutely rest. Patient lies still, no movement. Arnica montana, postural pain with soreness, as if bitten. Bed seems tight after long sitting or injury. Main remedy for injury and the back pain due to the injury or heavy weightlifting. Rutagraveolens, ligament and tendon strain. This is the main medicine. Ruta, ligament and tendon strain. Overuse or injury. Backache from bad posture. Then we are coming to Calcare-4, one of the topmost remedy for chronic cases, ligament laxity, early degeneration. Calicarbonicum, severe back pain with weakness, pain in lumbar region, worse at night. Then we are coming to Gelsemium, muscular weakness with dull pain, heaviness in neck. Civifuga or Axia racimosa, neck and popular back pain associated with stress and tension. Now we are coming to the nosures, the important medicines. Tuberculinum, Used in chronic resistant or miasmatic cases. Tuberculosis symptoms are changeable pain, weakness, fatigue, family history of tuberculosis. If family history is there, then tuberculin is very important medicine. Medorinum, chronic stiffness, worse from damp weather. History of suppressed gonorrhea. Then we are coming to syphilinium. Deep destructive changes, severe night pains, degenerative spine condition. This is the main remedy for this. Sorinum, chronic weakness, sensitivity to cold, dirty, unhealthy appearance. Then we are coming to the sarcodes. Adrenaline, stress-related muscle tension, fatigue. Then we are coming to thyroidinum. The chief symptoms are weak muscles, metabolic imbalance, hypophysium, hormonal imbalance, affective muscles. Hypophysium symptoms are like this. Cartilago. It is made by cartilage extract. Degenerative spinal condition, disc-related issues. Cartilago is one of the top-ranked medicine. Medulla spinalis, direct action on spinal cord, chronic back pain. Friends, now please see the lifestyle. Maintain proper posture, ergonomic chair and desk, regular stretching or exercise, avoid long sitting, walk after every 30 to 40 minutes. Strengthen core muscles, reduce strain. But after sitting 30 to 40 minutes, just try to walk. Even 10 steps, 20 steps. Walk, again come and again sit and again do the walk. Friends, that's all for today. Hope you like this video and share it to your nearest and dearest ones. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.